Welcome to GigaParts Technology Superstore in Huntsville, Alabama. Here are 5 tips to make the most out of your visit. Tip 1. Plan your visit. Check out our website for the latest events, sales, and class schedules. And don't forget to Google our address. We moved to an awesome 50,000 square foot home of tech goodness back in March. Tip 2. Take a class. Join one of our free classes to expand your knowledge in photography, computers, treasure hunting, astronomy, amateur radio, and other tech. Learn from experts and ask questions. Tip 3. Test products. Get hands-on experience with our range of products. Test out gaming PCs, cameras, and telescopes to find the perfect fit for your needs. Tip 4. Capture the moment. Don't forget to snap some pics of you having fun while you're here. Share your experience with friends on social media. Tip 5. Connect with our expert team. Ask them about product recommendations, how stuff works, repairs, or upcoming events. We're all about making your experience great. Ready to maximize your visit? Come see us at GigaParts Technology Superstore, and let's dive into the world of tech together.